Hi dearest, if you have watched the making of the pink of this video, don't jump out because there are three important things I'm going to be teaching you in this particular video. One I discovered as I was making this one, because in the pink I noticed that some threads were showing in the rows, so I'm going to show you how to sew it so that the thread is not shown in the middle of the rows. Then the other one is how to cover the back the way I covered it looking hot. You really want to stay tuned for that. And the third one is I made use of a different feather. Stay tuned. Okay, so remember that we fold our crinoline first of all into two and then we sew it to the end. So this is it and it has been squeezed. Now what you want to do first of all is just fold a little part of it and then sew. You can wrap the rows around like you see me doing. And then you start taking your thread in and out. When it comes up to the top part, you take it back close to that part, and that's how you're going to do all the way around to ensure that the rose sits firmly and doesn't get loosened. To cover up the back, what I did was to make use of flower trimmings, and I cut out the leaf-like styles on it and used it to make a wonderful design at the back. Watch how it's done. Remember we made use of feathers that were transformed to make another feathers? Oh yeah, but this I bought ready-made that look like this, and they are actually firmer. If you gain value from this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, I'm sure you can see you really do need to subscribe to this channel. So click that subscribe button and go a step forward and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And check out this next video.